Whether you are someone who has already built crores of cash assets or someone, a younger person, wishing to build a crore in the years to come, this video is a must watch for you. For clients having over a crore, choose Fino Premium. Clients looking to build a crore, choose Rupee Rakshak. You have worked hard to reach where you are now. Bigger funds deserve more. How would you like your long-term holdings in mutual funds, stocks, bank FDs give more without changing them? Choose Fino Premium and get enhanced returns. A cash investments of 25 lakhs and a 75 lakhs collateral from your Demat holding could get you an additional return of 8 to 9 lakhs per year. Call us on 63640-60600 and schedule a personalized meeting to know more. What about those who wish to build a crore of cash asset? There is no shortcut to success. Building wealth through right means takes years of effort and expertise. Bano Karodpati with Rupee Rakshak, get settled in life with a crore in cash. What is that you will invest for how long to become a Karodpati? Let's look at three options. Invest 15,000 rupees per month for 15 years, you would have paid 27 lakhs, it grows to a crore. If you think 15 years is too long, let's look at 10 years. 35,000 rupees per month for 10 years, you pay 42 lakhs, it grows to a crore. If you think even 10 years is longer, what about 5 years? You invest 1 lakh rupees per month for 5 years, 5 months, you would have paid 65 lakhs, it grows to a crore. Let's look at how this works in actual calculations. So here, how much lump sum I get if I save monthly? Let's say you start saving 15,000 rupees. I change these values, 15,000 rupees. For 15 years into 12 months, it is 180 months. And let's say you are expected to grow at 15%. So, end of 15th year, you get 1 crore 1,52,946. This is the formula bar here. You can see this is the future value calculation. Same way, if you want to know how much I have to pay now, how much to save monthly to get a target fund, this is called payment calculation, PMT, in the Excel formula. If you see, this is the calculation. Now, you can keep changing the values. This 1 crore, if I have to get it in, let's say, 180 months, how much I should, at 15%, how much I should save every month. This it says 14,774, it's in the bracket and red, that means this is the negative that you have to pay. It goes away from, you have to pay 14,774, it's about 15,000 every month for next 180 months, and if you get a return of 15%, it becomes a crore. What about lump sum? What if you have some 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, how much it will grow? For that, same calculations, how much I get if I save one-time investment. Let us say you have some 12,50,000 rupees to invest and you don't want to touch it for next 15 years and an expert gets you a return of 15%, this becomes 1 crore 1,71,000. Let's see how this process works. There is a platform called smallcase.com, finmo.smallcase.com. This connects the client and the Finmo Research Advisory, which has this product Rupee Rakshak. You need to have a bank account which is linked to your broker Demat account. In this case, let's say you have HDFC Bank, you can open HDFC Securities account. With this login of your broker Demat account, you will subscribe to Rupee Rakshak. The research team of Finmo will send the recommendations of the stock portfolio, which the small case will connect it with your broker account and execute it. And once all transactions are done, you can download the small case app and see all your investments in one place. So this is how it works. You can use any of the broker that is associated in this platform, smallcase.com, and you can log in through that and subscribe. So we want to know how much return has Rupee Rakshak already given in the past couple of months. Just go to finmo.smallcase.com and scroll down. You will see all the details. This is Rupee Rakshak. 2 months return is 11.24%. This is a lump sum amount, minimum investment of 5 lakhs. You can check the past performance. And similarly, you can look at Rupee Rakshak monthly. The last 2 months return is 33.41%. Remember, we don't need this much. We need 15% return in a year for the next 5 to 10 years or 15 years that you want to invest. So here you just come in and click on the subscription, and the minimum amount is what you need to invest in the first time, and later, let's say in this case it's 13,527. If you have much lesser money, you can start monthly mini with just 1,176 rupees first time. Later you can set up the SIP for whatever amount you wish to start saving month on month. Become a Karodpati by subscribing to Rupee Rakshak today.